Hey guys, FreshFRSPS here with another video, and yeah, this video is on me. I just got hacked, lost probably around 2 bill, and pretty much this video is gonna be on the support being really shitty in ICOV, and if you guys are gonna start an ICOV, don't donate, because if you get hacked, you don't get any of your fucking shit back. So yeah, you guys can go through some of these things I've been saying. So I pretty much asked him. So he's told me about 3 times that I won't get anything back, but we need to find the hacker. But we already found the hacker. And he just said the reason I probably won't get refunded is, apparently he doesn't believe me. Obviously, I mean, I guess he's doing his job. He can't really just trust me right off the bat. How do I get my items back? And like I should be able to. I donated of my dollars. You can't get your items back. Okay, that makes sense. But my friend cut back. Did a staff member refund him? No. Yes. Well, I don't see how it is fair. Other people get refunded. He could care less. I mean, come on, I lost 2 bills. This kid probably has, like, I mean, the staff could spawn money in, like an admin, but, you know, they don't fucking care. They don't always refund. Well, asking if it was you, be upset you lost $50. I doubt that, honestly. Just because you're staff, that's why he's saying that. But, I'll just RB. Whatever that means. My friends were on day. I wasn't, but they saw me log in. See what IP Billy or guy logged from and what my last IP log was from, and oh my god, dude, email support. Yeah, they also told me they don't have time to respond to BS. Well, looks like I won't get anything back, but starting a new series, I guess. I'll start a rebuild series. How about that? Begging for refunds. The main concern is seeing who hacked you. Well, of course, but I think if they find the hacker, should be able to refund all the items I means it's pretty fucking simple. To be quite honest, all they have to do is check the because this happened between the last time I played ICOV, which was yesterday, last night, around this time. Well, more around like 9 Central. It's 11 Central right now, but yeah. Yeah, as far as those items are staked. Wait. Cannot get them back. If I find the hacker, staff be able to refund like any other server. Crying out loud, they can spawn money and items back in. Man, this pisses me off. I'm not even, at this point, I could care less about what got scammed. More about how shitty the fucking ICO staff is and how kind of rude they are. Yes, I know you have stated this before about 10 times. fucking guy. Oh my god. Like, honestly, like, I don't. Personally, I don't get how you can't just take the IP that I logged in last. Say the IP was a just random IP that was different from the ones that my normal logs are in, right? And then you take those two people that I quote unquote traded, clearly the guy that was transferring the stuff to his accounts. You take his IP, is it the same IP as the one that I quote unquote traded them? That's all I fucking need to know. If it is, we found the hacker. Big fucking deal. These staff members don't know shit. Makes no fucking sense why they can't just go back in and get all the items, IP ban the kids so they can't hack anybody else, and go from there. It's like they're making more. I don't know. You did your job, but support needs to do theirs. Find the last IP log that was equal to Billy or whatever that guy's name is. Do a thing that people call trade and give items back.
Microphone muted. Microphone activated.
He's just not typing. And my email is not being read, clearly. Sorry to make this a long video, guys, but I just wanted to show you guys what will happen if you guys got hacked. Pretty much you're fucked, and they could care less. Except for finding the guy that hacked you. Which they already did, but he doesn't trust anybody, so. That's that. Something else happens, I'll be sure to update and add the other clip into this video before I upload it. But yeah. I guess you guys could be expecting a rebuild episode, a few episodes until I get back to like my cash deck that I had. Hopefully I can get lucky and get a one build drop like my friend did, a Ceridome and Hist, like my friend just did right before I got on and saw that I was hacked. So yeah. I hope you guys, well, I guess you didn't enjoy this video if you actually cared, but yeah, I guess that's how the staff is on Icov. I don't even know what I'm gonna title this. I guess you guys will be seeing the title, but still. I guess I'll see you guys later, but if anything happens, I'll be sure to update you guys. So thanks for watching.